What's happening, YouTube? It's your boy, JD Trades, and I'm back again with another market outlook. We're going to, of course, have the last outlook of the week. Now, in terms of high impact news, we only have PPI for today for the dollar. So let's take a look. So we had the inflation CPI data come out for the dollar yesterday, and it really wasn't good. It wasn't very bullish for the dollar. We've seen the dollar, of course, stretch down lower. We've taken out some key daily lows slash weekly lows as well. Okay. Now, ideally, what we should look for is this to kind of continue for today, unless if the PPI is going to bring us some strength to the dollar, which I'm not too sure it will. Now, the thing is, most of our weekly targets have been achieved in terms of the weekly moves. If we look at some of the majors, okay, GU has taken out that weekly high there slash daily high as well. Not only has it taken out this high, it's also taken out um, the next high with it. And for Euro USD, we've also got this high that it may potentially take out and looks likely to do so for the rest of today. So, you know, with that in mind, I'm going to expect for the dollar to continue dropping lower for the rest of today and potentially come to that 104 mark. Okay, that's going to be the target to kind of close out the week. Maybe we push a little bit lower than the 104 mark and then we pull back and then close out the week somewhere around, let's say, 104.2. Okay, that could be on the cards. So for the time being, most of the week's price action is done. Just to give you a quick recap, from the start of the week was to target the liquidity resting above this Asia session high. The first one was here and the second one was up here. Okay, so we did in fact take out this high here, and that's kind of where we've just trickled lower and lower and lower until the CPI data came out and slammed price lower. Next up is Euro USD. Euro USD still looking at this area here for a potential short move. Trying to see this continue to the upside, so it's going to make a little bit more sense if we do look for some long entries, potentially this New York session, and we'll see if the market wants to give us an opportunity to enter. We can look at this 1 hour candle here, this 1 hour Euro session open candle, and see if it can give us a potential entry. Okay, similar picture with GBP USD, but there aren't really any sort of setups that I have in terms of immediate setups, as I do believe most of the week is now complete with yesterday's price action, especially being so heavy to one side. Unless if this PPI data, like I said earlier, is going to come in and shake things up, which, I doubt, but, let's just see how it goes. So on the 8 hour picture, okay, for gold, we do have a nice candle inside of here where if we get a pullback, I'll be looking for some longs to continue this bullish price to the upside. Okay, gold may just not give us a pullback. It can just continue pushing up higher, just due to what the dollar might do later on today. If the dollar is going to continue remaining weak, then this should ideally keep pushing higher. Okay, but for the time being, we'll see if there are opportunities for some shorts to the 8 hour if price is willing to head down to that candle area I just showed you a second ago. If not, we will try to catch a small pullback for a continuation move, a slight intraday scalp this afternoon. Other than that, that's all from me today and for the rest of the week. Guys, if you're not already part of my Telegram, I do post a lot of chart analysis, trade ideas, and other content. The link to my Telegram is inside the description box down below. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Turn on that post notification to get notified whenever I post a new video. And of course, it helps the channel grow. And as always, remember the theory behind the practice. And I'll see you next time. Peace.